Google has reportedly obtained a patent for an innovative Connect Flight Mode feature, which aims to automate the activation and deactivation of airplane mode on devices like smartphones, tablets, and laptops. This feature is designed to detect when you are on an airplane and automatically manage connectivity settings accordingly. Unlike the traditional airplane mode, which requires manual activation and usually turns off all wireless communications, Connect Flight Mode will offer more nuanced control. For instance, while it will still disconnect cellular networks, it will allow the device to automatically connect to in flight Wi Fi and manage Bluetooth connections. Additionally, it will optimize your internet experience by disabling automatic backups, background app refreshes, and updates, potentially leading to better internet speeds during the flight. As this is currently in the patent stage, it may take some time before it becomes a standard feature on devices. There is also a possibility that the feature might not be implemented at all. However, if it does come to fruition, it could greatly enhance the convenience and efficiency of using devices during flights.